So I built this jig a while ago, quite a while ago, before I started this channel, and this should help me sharpen my chisel, because I'm using this quite heavily at the moment and I need it to be really sharp, and this jig should help me maintain the angle. If you watched me sharpen my knives in my last video, you might know that I have problems with maintaining the right angle, and I don't want to ruin this chisel by sharpening it free-handed. So I'm gonna use this, and I hope it's gonna be quick. So what I do is I fix this here. Let's see. Alright. And I have sandpaper here. I'm using double-sided tape to fix this paper. Let's see. And I, of course, need a very flat surface. So I'm using this trusty Siebdruckplatte, whatever that means in English. You will find out. Tell you, this whole talking in English is so difficult if you're not used to it. So forgive me some of my mistakes. I'm doing my best. All right. Okay. Zoom in a little bit. So now I have to set this up and make sure the angle is right. So like this. If I slide this back, right. Let's try. And you see, I'm on the top, so I'm on the edge, so I have to slide back a little bit more. Okay, let's try again. So that's a bit better. I really want to make sure that I don't ruin this chisel. All right, now I'm here. Okay, so slide it forward. So now just give this a go. Okay, that's working. So now I can be sure I remove the material very easily. Okay, can you see it? It looks promising. Let's mark it again. Okay, Perfect. I feel a burr. I guess I feel a burr, and I feel a burr on the top. Okay, so I am on the edge. Sure thing. So that's really quick. So I want to go for 1,200. Let's go again. Yeah. Let's mark it again. Perfect. All right. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it. I'll try to remove the burr. I just You guys told me in the comments from my last video that I'm using too much pressure, and actually I think you are right. I'm using too much pressure. And I'll try to improve. Let's see. Very gently. Okay. Hope I'm not ruining it again. It's very difficult to maintain the angle. You do feel it when you're on the right spot, but to maintain this over a whole pass is very difficult. Ah. Okay. Oh, I think. Oh, see. Okay, I think that is good enough for me for now. And this was done in no time. So if you want to build this jig, I'm gonna put the link down in the description where you can find it. I got it from the channel Let's Bastel, actually. I'm gonna get to work with this and wish you a nice day. Bye.